Hey everyone, Zane with you, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick review of a website that's been making the rounds, netreviewflex.com. Is it a legit Netflix review site, or is just another scam in 2025? Let's break it down. What is NetReviewFlex? First things first, netreviewflex.com claims to offer honest reviews, streaming updates, and even giveaways related to Netflix shows and movies. At a glance, it looks clean and user friendly, but what's behind the surface? Is it associated with Netflix? Let's be clear, netreviewflex.com isn't officially affiliated with Netflix. There is no verification, no partnership, and Netflix hasn't mentioned this site anywhere on their official channels. So if you are expecting exclusive Netflix deals, do not. Content quality and red flags. Some articles are decently written, but others feel rushed or AI generated. And the so called user reviews on shows, many are vague, repeated, or seem fake. Also, some users report being redirected to random survey or ad pages when clicking links. Is it safe? When it comes to security, proceed with caution. The site doesn't use a strong encryption, and there are pop up ads that could lead to shady third party sites. We didn't find any direct malware, but it is not 100% safe either. Final verdict. So, is netreviewflex.com legit? In our opinion, no. While it is not outright dangerous, it doesn't offer reliable reviews. It is not official and it may put your data or time at risk. So do not try to navigate this site and be careful because it is a scam. And that's all for today. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.